Hey, this is Jeff with Northwest RV Tours. I've got an awesome Grand Design floor plan today. It's another bunkhouse. This is the Transcend Explorer 235BH. Let's jump into it. Okay, so we're going to jump right into this one. This is a smaller travel trailer designed for a family, maybe 3 or 4 people. As you can see, it has a nice outside kitchen with a 110-volt fridge. This fridge will only work when you're plugged into shore power or a generator or things like that. It also has a nice 2-burner cooktop, as well as some outside storage. Large awning that goes across the entire side of the trailer, basically. This trailer does have the Westlake Chinese tires. That's one thing I recommend replacing fairly soon. Those are known to have blowouts. You can get on many of the forums on Facebook or other things. Good pass-through storage. Not the largest. It does have that bump out. But this is a unique floor plan on the inside. You'll see why that's there. Room for dual batteries as well as 2 20-pound propane tanks. It also comes with the electric tongue jack. Coming around to the passenger side, you can see this does have a single slide out. This is a 30 amp coach. It does have a factory battery monitor. That's for all your water hookups. Manual jacks all the way around. There's 4 of them. Nice large slide out with the bunkhouse in this slide actually. Those are the 2 windows on the right hand side. I always recommend getting a slide top or awning for these coaches. It prevents you from having to get up on the roof and sweep off the top to prevent those seals from tearing. There's your dump station on the back and your 30 amp plug-in. Sewer hose storage inside the rear bumper. Spare tire is mounted to the rear bumper, and your black tank flush is on the rear. This is prepped for a backup camera and does have a nice ladder for roof access. As we step up inside here, you can see to the right you've got storage. That's actually the master bed. It's a Murphy bed on the right hand side below that couch. That couch folds down. Nice booth dinette. Tons of counter space in this coach. Look at all that prep space that you have. Storage below. Your fuse box as well as the furnace vents are on the ground, up off the ground. Bluetooth stereo as well as your hot water tank controls, tank levels, ceiling lights, awnings, and slide out controls all in one place. TV that is on a movable mount. You can see you can adjust that to any position. Nice single basin large sink. Storage cabinets up above the sink. Plates, bowls, whatever you may need to store. More storage. You can see there's no barriers in between, so you can fit a lot of things in there. Long storage up above, Ziploc bags, tin foil. This is a standard microwave. Nice 3-burner cooktop with the glass top. Once again, like I always say, that front burner is going to be your hottest burner. It's going to put out the most BTUs for cooking and boiling water. And a nice size oven with an oven light so you can see what you're baking. Pots and pans drawer. You can see just how deep that is. Three drawers, all full extension drawer glides. That TV is a Roku TV. That's what that remote was for. So you can stream directly to your TV without having to have a Apple TV or a Roku or something like that. Storage underneath the sink and a little bit of storage there on the left for cleaning products or whatever you may need. Nice 12-volt fridge freezer combo. This is the compressor style fridge, so you're going to get all the benefits of the imagines and the reflections with the solar panel keeping that running, as well as getting cold much, much quicker. Lots and lots of storage space in there for the fridge. furnace and air conditioner controls. And a nice sliding door. Here's your bunkhouse. This is actually in the slide out. It's inside the living room, but one advantage to that is it keeps the coach really short. It's a much smaller RV. You're able to still sleep 4 people in this, but have a coach that you can park very, very easily. You can see that upper bed does fold away if you needed to store something on that, as well as 3 drawers down below for clothing, or could even be extra kitchen storage if you don't need that much clothes. See here, a nice booth dinette. There is a 110 volt power outlet on the back wall, and you've got storage underneath both benches. Nice live edge looking tabletop. Grand Design's finishes are just so nice, I think. We own a Transcend. That's our standard coach. This is our 6th RV we've actually owned, and we love ours. They're just easy. For the money, I don't think you can beat the features that Grand Design provides or the quality. And I'm not affiliated in any fashion. I'm just a big fan. You can see the couch here. It's got 2 storage drawers below it, once again on full extension drawer glides. And more storage on the right-hand side. Shoes, whatever you want to put in there. And hanging closet. This bed folds down pretty easy. Give me a second and I'm going to go ahead and set down the camera and show you guys how that works. Alright, so you can see I've got my backpack on for all my camera gear. You fold over this top cushion. It folds flat. And then up above, there's just one hook that latches it. You simply pull down on the couch, or excuse me, on the Murphy bed, and it folds down into a full queen-size mattress. This isn't an RV queen, it's an actual queen-size mattress. Makes buying sheets easier, makes everything easier. And you have storage up above, behind that mattress when it's folded up. You can keep pillows, bedding, lots of things up in there. Folds up just as easy. Sorry for that view. And just like that, you're back to a couch with 2 cup holders. As you can see here, it's porcelain toilet with the foot flush. Pretty standard for the RV industry. You can see to the right, look at all that open cabinet space for towels, washcloths, toiletries. Nice medicine cabinet with a shelf, 2 shelves inside of it. A nice sink with the gooseneck faucet. And a very little bit of storage underneath the bathroom sink. You could fit a small, probably trash can in there. Good size shower with the skylight up above. I'm going to go ahead and show you here what I'm 6'4". You can see my head is up inside the skylight, but I still have room enough to shower. You can see here the shower door is retractable, so you don't need to wipe it off. And you've also got storage up above. That's the outside kitchen on the outside, so this is actually above the outside kitchen. Really deep storage there, though. And a standard 12-volt fan for the bathroom. You can see here as we pan around, this is a really great coach for being as short as it is. It's got plenty of space to live, nice dining area to sit and eat at, extra seating with the couch. It's really a great floor plan for a family. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'm going to go ahead and leave the information for Lazy Days RV. This is where I'm filming this in Portland, Oregon, in the comments below. Let me know if you guys have any questions or if there's another floor plan you guys would like to see.